In such cases, what you will do, for example, this is 4 की power 192 upon 6. Will you know what you will do? You will eliminate one common factor. What you will say, sir, this is 4 into 4 की power 192 upon 6. Hence 2 and 3 cancel. Then the remainder of this is, what is the remainder of 2 and divided by 3? 2. And the remainder of 4 की power 192 and divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 192. Is this right? Is this right? Can anyone tell me the flaw here? Sorry, 191. Okay, ठीक है, मेरी गलती है, तो clerical mistake है. लो. What is the remainder in this case? What is the remainder in this case? Just calculate the remainder. 2 when divided by 3, the remainder is 2, and 4 when divided by 3, 191 times, it is 1 की power 191. Answer is 2, but this is wrong. Huh? 4 is fine, but how? What is the error which you are doing? When you are cancelling the common factors, then you are limiting the remainder from 0 to 3, because then the remainder will come as per this divisor. When you are cancelling the common factor, the remainder will come as per this divisor, which is 3. But remainder for 6 can fall between 0 to 6. So you cannot cancel the common factor when you are solving such category of questions, let me tell you. है ना? You will not be smarter कि sir I have taken 1 4 out, I have cancelled 2, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, now I calculate the remainder. This is wrong.